Hello everyone, I am Professor Bankar DB, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Rampur. In this particular lecture, we will going to discuss about diol protection. So, diol can be protected as cyclic ketal by reacting that diol with acetone or cyclohexanone, or we can use other ketones in presence of catalytic amount of acid. Consider one example. Here we consider one example for the formation of cyclic ketal. Here we use 2,3-butane diol. That diol is allowed to react with acetone in presence of catalytic amount of H+. There is formation of cyclic ketal. This cyclic ketal is also called as acetonides. This cyclic ketal is also called as acetonide because it is obtained from acetone. So in this way we protect this diol using acetone in presence of catalytic amount of H+. There is formation of cyclic ketal, that is acetonide. We consider the mechanism of formation of this type of cyclic ketal. Initially, that ketone is allowed to react with H+. Electron pair on oxygen attack at this H+. Protonation takes place. That oxygen carry positive charge. The role of this particular step is to increase the positive charge on this particular carbon atom. Resonance takes place in this way. And that carbon carry positive charge. In next step, that diol react with this type of intermediate. This carbon becomes more electrophilic in nature. Therefore, lone pair of electron on oxygen attack at this particular carbon. There is formation of OH. H+. In next step, that H+ undergo elimination. Minus H+. Oxygen. OH. As we know that hydroxyl group is bad leaving group, therefore it convert into good leaving group, that is OH2 by using H+. In this way, oxygen, 2 methyl groups and OH2. Here OH as it is. So that OH is bad leaving group, it convert into corresponding OH2 as a good leaving group. In next step, that lone pair of electron on second OH attack at this particular carbon, and there is loss of water molecule. So there is loss of water molecule. Oxygen, CH3 that carry positive charge. So in next step, that H plus undergo removal minus H plus oxygen. This is cyclic ketal. So in this way, that diol undergo protection using acetone in presence of H plus, and there is formation of cyclic ketal. So this cyclic ketal is stable towards basic condition, towards organometallic reagent, towards some Grignard reagent type reagent. Then consider application of this particular cyclic ketal formation. Cyclic ketal formation plays an important role in the synthesis of natural product molecule. Consider this molecule. This molecule is allowed to react with diol. This is diol in presence of paratoluene sulfonic acid under a reflux condition and in benzene solvent. So this particular ketone is protected using this type of diol. Simultaneously, there is some changes in the given organic molecule. In this way, we have this type of structure. Here double bond, and that ketone is protected as ketal. So this particular intermediate is used in the synthesis of mifepristone natural molecule. So this particular intermediate is used in the synthesis of natural product molecule, that is mifepristone. Here we consider 1,3-diol. That 1,3-diol is again allowed to react with acetone in presence of H plus catalyst. There is formation of this type of 6-membered ring. Here that 1,3-diol is allowed to react with acetone in presence of H plus. There is formation of 6-membered ring we called as 1,3-dioxane compound. So we can use 1,2-diol, we can use 1,3-diol. If we use cyclohexanone for the protection of diol, there is formation of this type of structure. Like this. So this diol react with cyclohexanone in presence of H plus. There is formation of this type of cyclic ketal. So we can use acetone, we can use cyclohexanone for the protection of diol. Then we see the deprotection of diol, deprotection of ketal. Suppose here we use acetic acid, water under heating condition, that cyclic ketals are reactive towards the acidic condition. So we can use acetic acid, we can use trifluoroacetic acid, we can use H2SO4, or we can use HCl for the deprotection of that particular diol, that particular ketal. We get original diol and also acetone molecule. So these are the deprotecting condition for the cyclic ketal. So until now we saw number of protecting group for the OH. Here we will begin with the amino protecting groups. Here we will begin with the amino protecting group. This is primary amine. This is secondary amine. As we know that amine consists of nitrogen atom which carry lone pair of electron. So this lone pair of electron is nucleophilic in nature and it can be available for the donation. Hence amines are basic in nature. So if we want to decrease basicity or nucleophilicity of amine, that amine functional group can be protected using suitable protecting group. So by using suitable protecting group, nucleophilicity as well as basicity of the amine can be decreased, can be lower. So that decrease in basicity or nucleophilicity of that nitrogen can be due to either steric effect, or either due to electronic effect. So we will see some interesting protecting group for the amine. We will start with benzyl protection. We will start with benzyl protection. Benzyl protection. So consider example. We have this type of amine compound. That amine compound is allowed to react with benzyl bromide, or we can use benzyl chloride. In presence of basic condition, we use K2CO3 as a base. That electron pair attack at this particular carbon and there is loss of Br minus. So in this way, that nitrogen is protected as NHBN, that is benzyl. If we use second molecule of benzyl bromide, then that nitrogen again react at this particular position, and there is loss of Br minus. So we get this type of structure. Here second hydrogen of this nitrogen can be replaced by CH2PH group. Look at this particular structure, that is benzyl protected amine. This benzyl group is stable towards the basic condition, stable towards the acidic condition, stable towards the Grignard reagent, organometallic reagent, towards the hydride, towards oxidizing agent. So if we want to deprotect this particular benzyl group, then we use H2PDC condition, that is we use catalytic hydrogenation condition. Under catalytic hydrogenation condition, this group undergo cleavage, undergo deprotection, and we get original amino functional group, we get original amino compound. So this is about benzyl protection. Then we consider acyl protection. We consider acyl protection for the amines. We have this type of example, amine, primary amine. That amine is allowed to react with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as a base at 25 degrees Celsius temperature. So that amine react with carbonyl carbon of acetyl chloride. So there is loss of Cl minus. That Cl minus take hydrogen from NH2. We have this type of amide structure. So amine is converted into amide, and amides are neutral in nature. So this electron pair on the nitrogen is engaged in the resonance with carbonyl carbon. This electron pair on the nitrogen is engaged in the resonance with carbonyl carbon of this particular group. Therefore it is not available for donation. Therefore amides are neutral in nature. So in this way we protect this electron pair of amine using acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as a base. There is formation of amide. We can deprotect, we see in details. If we use, here we can use benzoyl chloride, we can use benzoyl chloride for the protection of NH2. There is also formation of amide. We represent as NHBZ, BZ for benzoyl group. We deprotect this type of amide under aqueous condition. We deprotect this type of amides under aqueous condition, and there is formation of NH2. Then we will consider next protecting group for the NH2. We consider next protecting group for NH2. that is CBZ. CBZ protection, in short, or we can write carboxybenzyl group. Here we will see what is meaning of CBZ protection. So this CBZ protection can be lower the basicity of the amines. Consider general example. Here we use RNH2. So this is benzyl chloroformate. Benzyl chloroformate. Amine is allowed to react with benzyl chloroformate. This electron pair attack at this particular position are NH positive charge, here carbon O minus Cl O CH2 pH. In next step, Cl undergo removal, that hydrogen also undergo removal. There is formation of HCl, so we get R NH C double bond O O CH2 pH, that is carboxybenzyl protection. So in this way we protect that NH2 as a carboxybenzyl protection using benzyl chloroformate. We will consider the D protection of this particular group. R NH C double bond O OCH2 pH. This group can be represented as NHCBZ. This group can be represented as NHCBZ. Here we use hydrogenolysis condition, that is H2PDC in methanol solvent. So this bond undergo cleavage. There is formation of RNH C double bond O OH plus there is formation of toluene as a side product. In next step, there is loss of CO2 molecule. There is loss of CO2 molecule, and that N minus take the H plus, and there is formation of RNH2. So we deprotect that CBZ functional group by using H2PDC. So in this lecture we will stop here. In next lecture we will going to discuss some more important protecting group for the NH2 functional group. Okay, thank you.